Of 2020 proving to be record-breaking for some tri-state communities. Vanderburgh County putting up more than 300 new positives, well above any previous single-day total this year. It comes as 4 more southern Indiana counties move back into the dreaded red zone. Spencer, Posey, Gibson, and Pike join Du Bois County and all of our western Kentucky communities battling the sprawling spread. 44 News reporter Marissa Patwa in Rockport with a breakdown of what it means for these communities.
And the fact that we're already in the midst of a surge is very concerning to see increased cases.
Spencer, Posey, Gibson, Pike, and Du Bois counties are all heading into 2021 in the red zone.
We have been seeing on average between 20 to 30 new patients of COVID every day, sometimes as many as 40, which is certainly the highest numbers that we've seen since the beginning of the pandemic.
The reason behind the high rate of COVID-19 cases, health departments are tracing them back to family and social gatherings during the holidays, where masks are not being worn and there is minimal to no social distancing.
We have seen spikes after Thanksgiving, after Labor Day, after other major holidays in the past, and we are very concerned that we will continue to see that happen after these December holidays as well.
Now for those counties that are in the red zone, social gatherings are limited to 25 people or less, and health officials warn that if people continue to not comply with those safety regulations in place, social gatherings could be eliminated altogether. Now the same goes for businesses being shut down.
When we see businesses that do not comply, our process is basically to send reminders, to communicate with them, educate them on why that's important. And in general, we've had a good response with that.
In Du Bois County, they are cracking down on those not complying, putting cease and desist orders on businesses' doors. Dr. Sean Werner says those who choose to neglect the recommendations are demonstrating a lack of understanding of how the virus spreads, or worse, a lack of caring for their fellow citizens. The cavalier attitude of some is causing fear and concern for many others. And while health officials understand people want to spend time with their friends for the holiday, it is not the safest choice.
And many people just feel that they've had enough and are wanting to start the new year off without care towards the pandemic. But unfortunately, that's not really a viable option. We really need to buckle down now more than ever.
The CDC recommends postponing travel for the new year and instead hosting virtual family celebrations. Reporting in Rockport, Marissa Patwa, 44 News.